It'll give you a good idea of what can be done with the double seat valve and how it benefits in terms of flexibility and the running of the plant. So the example I'll give on this is we have a number of tanks. So this pipe will be connected to a tank, this one another tank, this one another tank, this one another tank, and they'll all be in a tank farm. Each end of the valve block, you could have potentially 2 lines filling, 2 lines emptying, and another line doing a CIP. This tank, for example, if we say this is the fill line, this valve will be open, product will be going in to fill the tank. At the same time as that, let's say this tank, for example, could be cleaning. So you've got CIP going down that line and away returning on one of the back lines. When this valve's open and this valve's open, you've got product going both ways. But the benefit of the valve, the beauty of the double seat protection, that means that none of that product will mix or CIP will mix. Majority of the times it's used for products and CIP. But in certain industries where you have certainly expensive products, for whiskey for example, you don't want the different products mixing because of the cost of them. So it's used in that respect as well. There's another benefit of the double seat valves. We have at this port on this row of valves, the blanks. Now what that means is further down the line, future, there's going to be a tank which will be connected to this, but at the moment it's not in operation. So we put a blank in that allows the pipes just to run over and below each other without any mixing, because the insert on the blank is the same principle as the double seat valve. And all it means is when this tank does eventually come into production, you don't need to cut new valves into the line. You don't need to add new pipework into the line. It's already there. You simply take out the inserts and drop in a new, you take out the blanks and drop in a new insert, same as the others. On this manifold, it's an Azibus type connection. Again, as I say, it can be, this design has obviously been discussed with the customer and what they want. And this is how it works. We'll discuss what they want in terms of their installation and where it can go and the benefits of it and how they particularly specify it on their site, because every site's different. So we work with them in terms of that. So that's it in the greatest principle of it. You know, it's fully automated. There's no manual handling, so you've got no chance of putting the wrong hose on the wrong connection or leaving the hose off. Splashes of caustic, it doesn't happen because the valve's all fully welded, fully automatic. Press a button and away it goes. You can have 4 lines running at once. You can have a tank emptying, a tank filling, tank on CIP. So it just gives you that continuous run of flexibility and allows you to produce more with no risk.